What's up, everybody? It's JJ. Today I'm going to be making a Thanksgiving side dish that is guaranteed to be winner for dinner, baby. So this is what we got going on, guys. We're gonna make a sweet potato with cranberries and candied pecans with the JJ's Own ginger soy. Guys, packed with tons of flavor. Here's our sweet potato right here. Here's our candied pecans, our fresh cranberries. All that stuff is gonna go into a pan with the JJ's Own ginger soy, and it's gonna absorb all that goodness. This is it, guys. Listen to that sizzle. It smells amazing in here. And around the holidays, this is a great smell to have inside the house. So, guys, look, I'm gonna let that sizzle up a little bit. You know, medium high, I would say. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to throw in these fresh cranberries. Because although you can eat them like that, they're going to burst. They're going to open up and they are going to absorb that JJ's Own ginger soy. So let that hang out there for a few minutes inside the pan. And then what we're going to do next is, guys, so if you have a lot of guests coming or you're just party of two, you take your sweet potatoes or you can use yams, you wrap them up in foil, you put them in the oven, 350 for a little over an hour. Makes them nice and soft. You take them out and you cube them just like this. I personally like to leave the skin on because I feel like it adds a texture and it goes into, look at this, it's popping already. See, guys, look at this. The cranberries, they're popping open. They are going to be like infused with the JJ's Own ginger soy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the sweet potatoes in the pan. Amazing. Look, just look at the color even. I mean, it's a fall dish. It reminds you of Thanksgiving. It reminds you of happy times. This is with our JJ's Own ginger soy. So guys, at different layers and different sections, this is my suggestion to you. Just pour a little bit more of that JJ's Own in there to coat it up. Layer for layer. You gotta season every layer. So as this cooks, you're gonna turn it around and it's gonna put a little crisp on those potatoes. Then we are going to add these, guys. These are candied pecans. They're sweet, they're crunchy, and they're gonna add an amazing texture taste to this dish. So, it's like warm, it's inviting. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at that. That is an amazing side dish to have on your holiday table. And once again, I am going to put a little bit more of the JJ's Own ginger soy. I mean, it's cooking in that. You're going to leave that on. You're going to put it on a medium high. And that is going to cook. Guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is not, this is amazing. This is not just a dressing. This is a marinade as well. And you could make any dish. I mean, like the possibilities are endless with JJ's Own. So please visit us at jjsown.com and you could purchase any one of our flavors. We have 6 flavors just in time for Thanksgiving, because your Thanksgiving table would not be complete if it wasn't for JJ's Own. So you gotta have a JJ's Own dish on there. And if you do, you know I love, share it with me, tag me in it. I love when families get together and they cook together, they eat together, and JJ's Own is on the table. So guys, come in now and take a look. Look at what the cranberries did. They broke down, you know, and everything is infused, and The potatoes are already cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking the potatoes. You're glazing the pecans, even though they are glazed already. You're putting that ginger soy on there. I mean, if this is not an amazing dish, I don't know what is. Hold on, guys. Let me get a spoon, because of course you know we always gotta taste. So, guys, I hope JJ's Own is on your Thanksgiving table. I mean, this is a great dish. I mean, this is a little Halloween plate that I have. Give thanks. Kind of goes with the dish. Come on down here and take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this dish. I mean, if that's not gorgeous and that doesn't scream Thanksgiving, I don't know what does. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. So now we're gonna taste it, right? It smells amazing. So guys, so the potato is so soft. I'm gonna get a cranberry on there. Whew. It's hot, and I'm gonna get myself one of these pecans. When I tell you winner for dinner, I mean it. This dish is amazing. It's full of flavor. It's sweet. It's savory. It's all the above, guys. I hope JJ's Own is on everybody's Thanksgiving table this year. Visit us at jjsown.com so it gets to you just in time for Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has an amazing day. I love you guys.